This platform you can see here on the screen get you paid just by watching videos. As you can see, it says looking to earn some extra money in your spare time. If so, then watching videos can be the best ideal solution for you. You come to this platform, you watch videos, and you will start earning money. As you can see here, it is very easy for you to sign up on this platform and start making money, because all what you just have to do is to watch this video to the end. As I'm going to reveal the name of this platform, make sure you subscribe and make sure you drop your comments down. My name is Basi H. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar. In my YouTube channel will talk about how to make money online in Nigeria in 2024. And once again, if you love content like this, make sure you click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I will drop a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And in today's video, I will show you a platform that gets you paid just by watching videos. So if you are using any browser of your choice, if you are using Chrome, if you are using Opera Mini, if you are using Firefox, Internet Explorer, what you just have to do is to click on the mobile on the browser, open a new tab, and dial in this keyword as you can see here, jumptax.io, and you click on the first link and it will take you to this platform or to this user interface or dashboard, and you click on start earning, and you get to sign up on this platform and you start making money anytime you watch videos. It says how to get paid to watch videos. Unlocking the opportunity to get paid to watch videos online open a world of possibilities for earning extra income. So this is one of the best ways you can use to start earning extra incomes as a student in Nigeria or as a student all over the world. One thing about this platform is that the transparency and the simplicity of the platform is top notch. That means anybody can sign up on this platform. You don't need any technical know-how for you to start earning money on this platform. The first thing you have to do is you have to sign up on JumpTax. That means you have to sign up on this platform. That's the first thing you do. You navigate to the end section. After you navigate to the end section, you find tax to watch videos and you start making money. It says get paid to watch videos. Why get paid to watch videos at JumpTax? It says JumpTax provides a unique opportunity to get paid to watch videos, earning money from the comfort of your home while enjoying engaging tailored to your interest. That's enjoying content that are tailored to your interest. Now, one thing about this platform in JumpTax is that it doesn't just offer you one type of video to watch. It offers you diverse video content. There are a lot of competitive rewards. It says get paid to watch art and other videos and earn competitive reward for each video you watch, providing you with a lucrative opportunity to supplement your income. There's flexibility. That means there is no fixed time that you must watch video. It is when you feel you are free, your spare time that you wish to watch video, then you can come here and watch video. They also have an interactive community. They have a user-friendly platform, and they have a dedicated support. So how much can you earn watching videos on Jumpstart? You can earn up to $100 and up to $1,000 based on your level of seriousness or based on how much time you really want to dedicate to watch videos on this platform. You can see they are trusted by over 6 million users worldwide, and they have a lot of ratings on this platform. And it's a small tax reward. You can also earn crypto on this platform by watching videos. So you can also go to the FAQs to get to know more about them. That is the frequently asked questions. How can get paid to watch videos on JumpTax? How long does it take to process payment? How can you receive your payment? And a lot of them. For now, the app is only available on Google Play Store, but it will soon come to the App Store. The name of this platform is known as jumpstack.io. Click on your mobile browser, put this keyword jumpstack.io, click on the first link, come to this platform. You can get to know more about them from the FAQ, that's the frequently asked question. Sign up, scroll down to where you can see in, and choose the particular videos you want to watch, and when you watch the videos you will start making money. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you get update anytime I will drop a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.